Presenting the Kia 2021 Seltos S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 175 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, all-wheel drive, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic with auto-shift transmission and Bluetooth. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.